Good morning, my fans. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you're watching this video from. I still remain your nurse Rose. We are still on infections, kids. We're still on infections. Last video we talked about human papilloma diseases. Today we are going to talk about the pelvic inflammatory diseases. We're going to talk about the causes, the preventions, the complications, the risk factors, the symptoms, the emergency time to seek for a doctor, and rest of them. Before we start wasting our time, we are going to dive into the main topic. This pelvic inflammatory diseases is a disease, an infection that affects the female reproductive organ. It affects the cervix, it affects the fallopian tube, it affects the uterus, which is the womb, it affects the ovaries. You see, these inflammatory infections, if not treated, it can cause several damages in the reproductive organ. And this occurs when bacteria travels from the fallopian tube and the cervix upward to the uterus and the fallopian tube. It causes damages. Now we go over to the causes. What causes these pelvic inflammatory infections? We have many causes, but the most common causes is sexual transmitted infections, especially the chlamydia, trichomatic, and the Neisseria gonorrhea. Other bacteria can also cause these pelvic inflammatory diseases, including bacteria mostly found in the vagina. How this pelvic inflammatory disease develop? 1. Unprotected sex, having multiple sex partners, childbirth, marriage, miscarriage or abortions, insertion of this IUD. All these women that used to small thing, they were insert. They say this one kill this one, they were insert. It developed these pelvic inflammatory infections, and then also develop. That is how these pelvic inflammatory infections develop in human body. You can also develop this by not using condoms, that is unprotected sex. Then if you have had STD before, you will still develop it. Then if you are having like too much frequent of clean inside the vagina, because most of our women will say we want to clean ourselves, we want to make ourselves smell nice, and putting your hand inside your vagina is not right. You are meant to use water only to wash that place, not soap, and not to put your hand inside. You are meant to wash